How to check phone number on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to view your own phone number on your Samsung device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Following that, tap on Status or Status Information. Now, look for SIM status or SIM card status and tap on it. Moving forward, scroll down to find My Phone Number. Your phone number will be displayed right there. Alternatively, you can also check your number through the SIM Manager settings. Open the Settings app on your phone, tap on the Connection menu, then tap on SIM Manager. Look for SIM1 or SIM2. Your phone number will be shown on the screen. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you check your phone number on Samsung, give it a like. Subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.